Dear students, in this video I explained regular-Folcy method. The regular-Folcy method is another method to find the root of the equation. The given equation is maybe it is in algebraic equation or transcendental equation. So regular-Folcy method state that x is equal to a into f of b minus b into f of k divided by f of b minus f of a. Regular-Folcy method state that x is equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of a and also f of b minus f of a. Here both a and b are the approximate root. Okay, both a and b are the approximate root. So now I take another example to find the one example to explain how to find the root of the given equation by using regular-Folcy method. The first one, find the root of the given equation of the equation is x cube minus 5x minus 7 equal to 0. First, this one consider as f of x. F of x is equal to x cube minus 5x minus 7. Okay, now by using inspection method, first we have to find approximate root. Take x is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0, we get 0 minus 0 minus 7, which is equal to minus 7. X is equal to 1, then f of 1, which is equal to 1 minus 5 minus 7, which is equal to minus 11. Take x is equal to 2, then f of 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, minus 5 2s are 10, minus 7, 10 minus 10 minus 7 is minus 17, minus 17 plus 8 value 5, then x is equal to 3, then f of 3 value 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 5 3s are 15 minus 7, which is equal to minus 15 minus 7 minus 22 minus 22 plus 27, it become sorry, this one is f of 2 value minus 9, this one sorry, this is minus 9, here we get plus 5. It means the root lies between minus 9 and also minus 5. We get one negative value and also one positive value. So it means the root lies between 2 and also 3. So I think you all of you get an idea. See, here for example we plot the graph. Here x value 0 1 2 3, corresponding we take y value 5 10 15, here we take plus 5 plus 10 plus 15. Okay, take x is equal to 0, corresponding y value minus 7, minus 7 means here this value, this is a value. X is equal to 1, corresponding b value minus 11, x is equal to minus b means here this value b. X is equal to 2, corresponding y value minus 9, x is equal to 2, corresponding value means this is c. Okay, x is equal to 3, corresponding y value 5 means here 5, this is the d. So now join this line. C and also D means the root lies between C and D means this point is a given root of the given equation. X is equal to 3 means here the root lies between 2 and also 3. So but again suppose we directly take A and B value and again we simplify, it is maybe it will go to, and one more thing, it is a the regular-Folcy method is also iterative method. Suppose we directly take this is the a value and this is the b value, then we go to nearly 5th or 6th iteration. That was again by using inspection method, you again have you find a nearest value. Again nearest value means compare 2 and 3 means here 5 is nearest to 0. We take 2 means the root lies between 2 and 3, but this value is nearest to 3 means again decreasing value, that is again we check again 2.9 2.8 2.7 like that. Okay, now take x is equal to 2.9, x is equal to 2.9, then f of 2.9 which is equal to 2.9 whole cube minus 5 into 2.9 minus 7, which is equal to 2.889. Okay, next take x is equal to 2.8. x is equal to 2.8 means f of 2.8, that is 2.8 whole cube minus 5 into 2.8 minus 7, which is equal to 0.952. Next, x is equal to 2.7 means f of 2.7, which is equal to 2.7 whole cube minus 5 into 2.7 minus 7, which is equal to minus, simplify here we get minus 0.817, means again we get one positive and also one negative. It means the root lies between these two values, 2.8 and also 2.7. So we take any value is the a value, then corresponding f of a should be negative. So means we take 2.7 is equal to a, corresponding f of a value should be negative. It means take a is equal to 2.7, corresponding f of a value minus 0.817. So a value 2.7, corresponding f of a value minus 0.817, then b is equal to 2.8, then f of b value 0.952. Okay, now then here regular falsy method. Take for formula, regular falsy method state that x1 is equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. Then x1 is equal to a value 2.7, substitute the values, b value 0.952, b value 2.8, f of a value minus into minus it become plus into 0.817 divided by f of b value 0.952 plus 0.817. Simplify, here we get x1 value 2.7461. 2.7461. Okay, then we go to next iterative value. We already I told regular falsy method is also a iterative method. So next iterative I can written as x2 is equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. Okay, now x2 is equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. But again we choose a and b value, a and a f of a, and also we need again a b f of a and also f of b value. That was first we have to find f of 2.7461. It means f of 2.7461 means this value is substituted in given equation. Given equation is x cube minus 5x minus 7. Okay, x cube minus 5x 7. F of x value x cube minus 5x minus 7, that is minus 2.7461 whole cube minus 5 into 2.7461 minus 7. Okay, here we get f of 2.7461 value minus 0.0219. Totally we get 3 root, 1, 2 and also 3. Comparing this 3 value, choose one negative value and one positive value. Comparing the 3, the 0.952 is the positive value now. So that corresponding x value consider as a b value, that is f of b value 0.952, then corresponding y value 2.8. Then here another two negative values there, minus 0.817 and minus 0.0219. Comparing these two, 0.0219 is the nearest to 0. So then corresponding we have this value x value considered as a value, that is a value 2.7461 and f of a value minus 0.0219. Okay, now this value is in this given equation, that is x2 value 2.7461, f of b value 0.952 minus b value 2.8 into f of a value, minus it to minus it become plus 0.0219 divided by f of b minus f of a, 0.952 plus 0.0219. Simplify, here we get x2 value 2.74 2.7473, x2 value 2.7473. Next, again here condition is here next year at least here 3 equating to 3 decimal place near. See, comparing x1 and also x2, 2.7461, 2.7473, difference is 0.001, at least minimum difference is 0.000. Okay, that way we go to third iterative value. Third iterative value means x3 can written as a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. Okay, here again we need a, b and also f of a and also f of b value. So again we need another a, b value. That was first we have to find f of 2.7473 value, means this value substituting given equation, that is 2.7473 whole cube minus 5 into 2.7473 minus 7. So simplify, here we get f of 2.7473. Simplify, here we get minus 8.211 2 into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay, so now choose a and b value. Now totally we get 4 value. This is the 1, 2, 3 and also 4. Comparing 4 values, we choose one positive value and another negative value. Comparing this 4 value, 0.952 is the one negative positive value, so that one we consider as f of b, 0.952. Okay, corresponding f of b value 2.8. So again compare 1, 3 and also 4. Comparing this 3 value, which one is nearest to 0? See, minus 8.211 is to 10 raised to minus 4. 10 raised to minus 4 nothing but 0.00082. So this is the nearest to 0. So then corresponding this x value considered as a value, that is 2.7473, and f of a value minus 8.2112 into 10 raised to minus 4. Now this 4 value substitute in this equation, we get x3 value 2.7473. Simplify, here all the 4 values set in this equation. Simplify, we get x3 value 2.7473. See, compare x2 and also x3, almost same now. Then conclude this 2.7473 is the real root of the given equation. So like that we have to find the root of the given equation by using regular Falsy method. Thank you.